Hello, great women. One of the most courageous things you can do is identify yourself, know who you are, what you believe in, and where you want to go in life. 8th March is International Women's Day, and in line with this, I want to encourage every woman to start walking in the path that leads to owning their power. When you find your identity, you own your power. Walking without an identity is like drifting in life without a definite course. We have lined up conversations with great women in Kenya, and we hope these conversations will steer you towards trying to find who you are and encourage you to come out of that corner that you have tied yourself in. From Shilleds, we want to wish you a most wonderful International Women's Day. I am yours, Abulatsa Imbukwa.